Emergency landing. Fire.
Yeah, we're listening to the radio. He's got a fire. Go, go!
Come on, get it, get it.
Something just...
Grab that hook.
You made it.
Woo!
83 is keep on deck. Keep it coming.
Right.
83, you're down the river.
He threw something out of
I saw that, I saw.
He threw something out. He landed in the grass over there.
Yeah, I saw.
A brown something.
Keep coming.
I don't know which one that is.
He's out.
Is he out of the airplane
He's
now?
out on the ground.
Oh yeah, there he
We're
is.
on.
2 of them.
Probably worried about fire.
The truck should be out there by now.
Yeah, you think.
It was sitting over here one.
Well, they had to know he was coming in when he turned.
When he called, there the lights are on, but they're way down at the end.
He's up top now again.
Something's coming out the left-hand side.
Still smoke.
Here, come on.